Welcome dear student. Today we shall begin with second lesson, that is health and diseases. We all must have suffered from some other disease at some point in our life, yes or no? In this lesson we shall see why do we suffer from a particular disease, what type of diseases are present, and many more related to our health. So let's begin with the lesson health and diseases. As we begin the lesson, let's first understand these terms. The first one, health. Health is a state of a complete physical, mental, and social well beingness and not merely the absence of any disease. Physical means relating to a body, physical body. Mental means relating to our mind, whereas social well beingness means to coexist peacefully with people around us. Next is what is disease? Condition of disturbance in physiological or psychological processes in the body is called diseases. Now, what do we mean by physiological and psychological processes? Let's see. Physiological process means a branch of a biology that deals with normal functioning of living organism and their parts, whereas psychological process we can see from the picture, that is the scientific study of human mind. Each disease has its own specific symptoms. You can see the picture. So each disease has its own specific symptoms. Each disease has, you can see from the picture that the different disease has a different specific symptoms. Now let's start with the types of diseases. You must have heard the name of the various diseases like diabetes, common flu, asthma, Down syndrome. This is the picture of Down syndrome. Now Down syndrome is a disorder causing developmental and intellectual delays and the heart disease, etc. So once again I repeat here, reasons and the symptoms of all these diseases are different. So to bring coordination in scientific study of diseases are classified as follow. This is the chart, types of disease. Now here you can all see, you can see a chart. So according to the chart we will see how diseases are classified. Types of disease we have a two according to the duration and according to the reason. You can see in the chart according to the duration and according to the reasons. Now according to the duration means according to time period. Under that we have a chronic disease and acute disease. Now chronic disease means long time or a longer duration disease. Just think for example of chronic disease, cancer. Yes, so the cancer is a chronic disease. Second, acute disease. Acute disease means the disease which lasts for a short time. The example of acute disease is common cold. On the other hand, you can see the chart, On the other hand, we have a types of disease according to the region. Under that, we have a hereditary disease and acquired disease. Now, hereditary disease means particular characteristics are transferred from parents to offspring. So, few people from that particular disease. Example, we have a Down syndrome. Again, I will repeat what is Down syndrome. It is a disorder causing developmental and intellectual delay. On the other hand, we have a acquired disease. Now, acquired disease which we acquired at some particular point in our life. We do not get that disease as we are born. We get it at some particular time during one's life, during one's lifetime. So under that, we have a infectious disease and non-infectious disease. So now definition for infectious and non-infectious disease will be seen in the next slide or a next video. Just have a look at the examples. Infectious disease, we have an example common cold, flu, dengue. Non-infectious disease, we have an example diabetes, heart disease. So we will stop here. In the next video, we'll see the infectious disease. Thank you.